Okay. In the last class, we had discussed inverse square law of gravitation. Now today we will do some numericals. Now we saw that every object in the universe exerts a force on the other. So few of you might think, then if I am sitting closer to my friend, why am I not attracted towards my friend? Okay, or why is the pencil kept on the table not attracted towards the eraser? Like that, let us find out the gravitational force exerted by two objects or two people, those who are close to each other. So I want you to be ready with your writing material. We'll solve the sum together. Write down. Calculate the gravitational force acting between two friends. Calculate the gravitational force acting between two friends sitting close to each other. Sitting close to each other. Okay, so let's get started. Calculate the gravitational force. Let us take mass of first friend as, we will take easy numbers. Let us take the first number as 40 kg, mass of one person 40, and mass of the second person, we will take it as 30 kilogram. Okay, then we know the value of G will be 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Here I am putting this per, so kilogram square. If you don't want to put that, then you can avoid that and put a minus 2. Okay. Fine. So which formula are you going to use? F is equal to G m1 m2 upon d square. Now here we'll take the distance between two, that is d square. Fine. So let us substitute the values one by one. In place of G, 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 40, mass of the first boy, mass of the second boy, upon distance between them. Now here I did not mention the distance. Let us take the distance to be also, for calculating purpose, we will take easy numbers. Let the distance between the two boys be 1 meter. So easy, no, to calculate. 1 meter. So we will take the distance as 1 square. Done? So distance is 1, so 1 square. Now here we will first solve these two numbers. Easy to multiply. 40 into 30 will be, now my working column I will adjust here. 4 3s are 12 and 2 zeros. Multiplied by 6.67. Yeah, you can multiply 6.67. Multiply and get the answer. 800400. Hope you also got the same way. Okay. Now let us put the decimal point. So we'll get 8004. 8004 into 10 raised to minus 11. Got it? Into 10 raised to minus 11. Because it is force, so the unit of force is Newton. Now if you look at this number 8004, it seems to be a bigger number, but don't forget, into 10 raised to minus 11. So what will be the actual answer? 10 raised to minus 11 means, okay. So we had got 8004 into 10 raised to minus 11 newtons. What is the actual value of this? 8004 into 10 raised to minus 11 means you will write it as upon 10 raised to 11. So we will put the decimal point now 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the actual answer is 0.00000008 8004 Newton. So 0.0000 is a very minute number. So we can confirm that. That is why one boy is not getting attracted towards his friend, because the force exerted by each other is very minute, very negligible force. So we calculated the force exerted by two friends who are sitting close to each other. Now we'll go for the next example. Now write down the next example as, let us calculate the force exerted by the earth on a person on the earth. Okay. So for that we should know the mass of the earth. Write down the question. Second question. Calculate the gravitational force exerted by Earth on a person. Calculate the gravitational force exerted by Earth on a person with mass. Again, we'll take an easy number. With mass 50 kilogram. Okay. So I told, let us calculate the gravitational force exerted by Earth on a person whose mass is 50 kilogram. So let us write down the given details. Given, what all things we know? Mass of the person is 50 kilogram. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Now the 6, it is actually 5.9, but for numericals to be solved in a easier way, we will round it off and take it as 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Now suppose we are calculating, suppose this is the earth, we are calculating the mass of a person. We all know we are on the surface of the earth. So how much force is exerted by the earth on the person, okay, or on each other, we are going to calculate. So we want the distance between the person and the earth, that is, here earth is in spherical shape, so we will take the center. So what is this distance actually from the person to earth? The center of the earth means we are talking about radius of the earth. Anything related to planets, we will use capital letter. Now here, this is mass of the earth, so I used capital M. Radius of the earth, so we will write capital R. You have to by heart these two values. Radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. So we got all the required details. Now we all know G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram square. So here I wrote kilogram raised to minus 2. Then using the same formula, F is equal to G M. Now here the other mass is Earth's mass, so capital M upon R square. Earth's radius, so capital R. For planets, we will always use capital letters. Because it is Earth, so I have written a E for Earth. Substitute the values. 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into mass of the person was 50 into mass of the earth 6 into 10 raised to 24 upon, what was the radius? 6.4 into 10 raised to 6, the whole square. Correct? Now let us solve one by one. According to your convenience, we will solve these smaller numbers first. 50 into 6 is 300. 300 multiplied by 6.67. Here, now this we will solve, this part. 6.4 into 6.4 is 40.96 and 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to 6 is 10 raised to 12. Now let us solve this part. 6.67 into 300. Please do that. 6.67 into 300. What is the answer that you will get? Okay, so we had done 50 into 6 and we got 300. Now let us solve it further. 6.67 into 300. First you solve that. 6.67 into 300. Solve it. Somewhat we are getting 2001.00. No? You also got the same number. Check. Okay. So we did these two. Now 10 raised to 13 and 10 raised to 12 upon. So if 12 goes up, it will be minus 12. 10 raised to 13 minus 12 will be, 13 minus 12 is 10. So we got 2001.00 we can neglect into 10. How this 10 came? 13 minus 12. So that 10 upon 40.96. Okay? So 2001 into 10 will be 20010 upon 40.96. Now to remove these two decimal numbers, we'll multiply by 100 up, multiply by 100 down. So we got 2001000, 20010 and 2 zeros. Okay, divided by 4096. Now we want 4096 table. Let me try for 4s. 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 9 4s are 36, 38, carry 3, 4 4s are 16. We'll try for 5s, 4096 5s, 5 6s are 30, carry 3, 9 5s are 45, 48, carry 4, 5 4s are 20. Okay, it's a bigger number, so we'll go for 4s. 4s are 16384, 16384. Subtract 10 minus 4 6, 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 3 6 and 9 minus 6 3. Bring the next digit down 0. Now we want 36260. Let us try for 4096 multiplied by, what you say, 8s. Let us go for 8s. 8s, 8 6s are 48, carry 4, 72, 76, carry 7, 8 4s are 32. We'll also try for 9s. 9s, 9 5, 54, carry 5, 81, 86, 9 4s are 36. So this is a bigger number, so we'll take 8s. 32768, 32768. Subtract 10 minus 8 2, 5 minus 6 means 15 minus 6 9, 11 minus 7 4 and this will be 5 minus 2 3. Bring the next digit down 0. So we have 3 4. So again we'll have to take this 8s, 32768. Subtract 10 minus 8 2, 11 minus 6 5, 8 minus 7 1, 4 minus 2 2. Now put a decimal point, put a 0, 21520. So which one? 5s, okay, 20480. Okay, so we want till one decimal number is enough. So we got our answer. It is 488.5 Newton. So this is quite a big number. We can confirm that the gravitation force exerted by two persons sitting close to each other was very negligible, 0.0000 something. Whereas the gravitation force exerted by Earth on a person will be a bigger number, no? 488.5. So that is why we can experience a gravitational pull of the Earth. Okay, so these two numericals, please try it out, can come.